how you can change your region in your Riot account. Now before we start, if you are new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is open up your Riot account. And after you do that, let me go to the first page right here. And after you're on your Riot account, just log into it. After you log into it, just tap on your username and go to your settings. Now, after you've done that, you can just go to your personal information right here, or you can directly go to support from up here. So go to your support, and after you go to your support, you'll need to sign in if they ask you to sign in. And after you do so, you can just scroll down. You can check this out, and there you will see an option to submit a ticket. If you don't see it, you can just go up here and go to transfer region. And after you go to transfer region, you can just scroll down, and there you will find an option to just submit a ticket. Tap on submit a ticket. After you do so, you'll need to choose a request type. Just choose this one, account management. And after you do so, it will load again. And there you want now just, select your platform, select your subject. Let's say you want to change my region. Now, after you do so, go to your subject of select your inquiry. Now, just select one. And now what you'll need to do is you'll need to select this one here too. And just do that. If you don't find the one that you're looking for, just tap on other, and then here you will need to type in your description. Just say that you want to change your region, and after you do so, just write everything in detail and submit the ticket, and your Riot account support will help you. And it's that simple, guys. That is how you change your region in your Riot account. Thank you for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.